It is a glorious sound, but after 2 solid days, it's getting a little bit long in the tooth. Oh, it's coming in over the shoulder. Lucky I've got a jacket on. Dinner's just bubbling away. And just as I'm about to light the fire, the wind picks up. And there's more rain on the way by the looks of it. Camping hack number 4, if you've run out of kindling and you've got no other combustibles like cardboard or bits of paper, always utilise these things. Fire starters are good. And then if you've got some toilet paper or tissues or paper towel, roll up some little balls, chuck the little fire lighters in there. We'll see if we can get that one going, because everything's soggy and I've run out of kindling and I've got no more cardboard, no more combustibles. I've got a little campsite visitor for breakfast. I'll see if he wants a little bit of raw bacon. Hey! Hang on. Hey buddy, want a little bit of bacon? Want a little bit of bacon? Fresh bacon? Yummy! I think he'll enjoy that. It's not, you don't need to kill it. Oh, yum. Taste it, yep, tastes good, yep. Mmm, yes please, I'll have some more of that. Hang on mate. Oh god, my feet. Here we go buddy, another bit. Oh, I think he likes it. I'll see if I can hand feed him. Oh, that wind. You want another piece? See how friendly they are here. There you go. There you go. No, don't want any of it. Come on. Come on. I'm not going to catch you. Here you go. Good boy. Well, if you want more, you know where to come find it. You're flicking it everywhere. You got 3 pieces over there. Oh. Oh. There you go. Oh. And over there. Over there. You got one over there. You saving that for later? Yeah, over there. Good boy. Good boy. Thanks for my breakfast entertainment. If you want more bacon, come over. Oh, you come back up there. Hang on. I'm just about to throw a bit on the cooktop. Do you want some on the cooktop? He's thinking, yeah, that bacon is good. I'm going to go down and get some. Bread's toasting, bacon's done, eggs next. Bit of prep over here, bit of garlic aioli, and the cheese and onion chips. That's the middle slice, and then the two outer slices are nice and toasty. Coffee's on the boil, again just reheating it a little bit. Camping Hack 24. If you buy the little cheap TV dinners, the little McCain ones or whatever they are for $5 on sale, they don't seal too well, so what I normally do is just wrap them up in the foil, because that'll be going into under the saucepan on the fire, and then pop them in a little Ziploc bag and then bung them in the fridge. It looks a little bit different to last time. Not so inviting today. Although there's some people swimming down there. And a dude driving on the beach. Almost got sandblasted by all that sand. Look at that. Ripped up. I was hoping to go for a little bit of a dip today, but I don't think it's on the cards. Just a bit chopped up. These those trees. Ow! Back of my legs are popping the head there, yo! I just got back from a supplies run and I got some little visitors. Hey, come back, oi, oi. One of them's really brave. Come on, come on, come on. Good boy, good boy. The other one's a little bit more timid. Yeah, come on, come on. There you go. Oh, the sun. Wow, I haven't seen you for a couple of days. Stocked. Camping hack 53. If you've got a car with a fob key and you can't really allow them to get wet, sometimes it's a good idea to just pop them in a little bottle like this in your little container, because this thing did get wet. The water seeped up from the bottom. Same with this one here. This whole little thing's covered in water when the rains came. But that trick will work. I'll see if I can hand feed him. Come on, this is for you. Come and get it. I know you want it. Maybe if I lay down, make my profile smaller. Come on. Come on. A nice big juicy bit of bacon. Come on. You had some this morning. You know how good it is. Come on. I'm not going to hurt you. Come on. Yeah. Down here. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. I'm friendly. Come on. How hungry are you? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You must have enjoyed that this morning. Come back for afternoons. Oh, you know, you get it all dirty. It's a nice clean bit of bacon. You're going to make your little grunting noise. Oh, there we go. Oh. 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 Come on. There we go. Good boy. I'll give you another piece. Stay there. Stay there. Good boy. Good boy. Thumbs up to that one. Stay there. I'll get you more. Hang on. I'm going to hand feed you this time. I'm going to hand feed you, come on. Good boy. I've got plenty more where that came from, so. There you go. You hungry? Yeah, have the big piece. Oh. There you go. Put it right on your beak. Good boy.